Same year, CSIR 2011, 4 marks question based on hybridization and shapes. Match the list 1 compound with list 2 structure. Select the correct answer using the code given below. List 1 XeOF4, BrF4 negative, SeCl4, and the structure are given square planar, tetrahedral, distorted, tetrahedral. The options are this one. Like, first of all, we have to find out the shape of structure of XeOF4, xenon, hybridization, number of valence electron 8, no monovalent atom, so that's why hybridization will be 4. So that's will be the total pair will be 4 and 4 bond pair. If total pair is a 4 bond pair, the structure will be tetrahedral. Now in case of BrF4 negative, hybridization is equals to 7 plus 4 plus 1 upon 2, that is 6, total pair 6. In 6 pair there is a 4 bond pair and 2 lone pair, so the structure will be square planar like this. Now after finding the first two options, we can find out the correct options. Like in case of XeF4 the structure is tetrahedral, so the option for A is second, and BrF4 negative the structure is square planar, so the option third will be correct. We will not go to SeCl4, but I want to tell the structure about the structure of SeCl4, because in case of SeCl4, if we go according to the normal hybridized formula, that is 6 plus 4 upon 2 is equals to 5, total pair will be 5, so there will be found 4 bond pair, 1 lone pair, so structure should be seesaw. But actually the structure of the SeCl4 is not seesaw, because ongoing on heavy p orbital, it should be ongoing heavy p orbital, the lone pair does not shows very much towards the structure of the compound. So the structure of SeCl4 is not seesaw, it is distorted tetrahedral, because in heavy p block element lone pair become less influential, so the shape will be distorted tetrahedral.